Now you will learn the destructor concept. So the concept map for you, destructor characteristics, then we will see the syntax of destructor, and then we will followed by your examples. So characteristics, syntax and examples. So you should understand the concept of destructor. Now, so what do you mean by destructor? Destructor is the use to destroy the object of that have been created by constructor. So what destructor will do? Destructor will destruct the object, but destruct or delete the object which you have created with the help of constructor. Means to implement the destructor concept, you should know the constructor concepts which we have already covered in last learning outcome. Now it is a special member function, like your constructor. Destructor is also special member function. Why? Because destructor name and class name should be same, but only major difference between destructor and constructor is what? It is get preceded by tilde symbol. Okay, tilde symbol you have to give before your destructor. Then like constructor, destructor do not have return type. It will not take any argument, and that you have to declare in public section, and you can destructor will automatically get called. Okay, whenever destructor will automatically get called whenever you will call any object of the class. So destructor will be invoked implicitly, and it will clean up the storage. Okay, and it cannot be declared static, constant and volatile. We can't declare. And destructor only we can see whether whether class object get deleted or not. So what is the syntax? Syntax will be your tilde symbol, and like your constructor only class name. So here class ABC, then in public access specifier tilde symbol, then class name, then open and close bracket. Now here is no any need to specify the return type, then argument. Okay, and cout statement. So how you will come to know that yes, destructor get called? So in cout statement you can write yes, destructor invoke. So the example is class student, having data members as roll number and percentage. Then student is a constructor, so we will take the value. We have declared here parameterized constructor where int r and float p. So int is a data type, float is a data type, r and p are the variable name. So we will assign the roll number is equal to r. So value of r will get assigned to the roll number, and value of p will get assigned to the percentage. Okay, or per. Then we have destructor. So destructor syntax is, do you remember? Tilde symbol, class name, open and close bracket, and in cout we will call destructor gets called. Now in show data member function we will just call the roll number and marks. Then in int, so class get terminated here. So in int main void student s1 102 comma 89 and s1 dot show data. Now student s1 102 89, so it will call constructor get called. Okay, so it will assign the value r to 102 and p to the 89. So roll number is 102, percentage is 89, and then with the help of show data we will call the roll number and marks. Okay, so we will display the value of roll number and marks on the output screen. And after your completion, after your calling of show data, destructor will get invoked. Okay, and it will destructor is what we have written in destructor gets called. So you will get the message as destructor gets called.